Well, it's autumn now. Summer slipped away fairly adventureless, except for, watching some of the wildlife around the pond and our evenings with the bunnies. My son really enjoyed helping me locate the rabbits in the evening, just as the sun was going down. They'd come out and feed along the edges near the pond and driveways, so they were very entertaining. Hello, Bunny. Are you enjoying the rain? You don't seem to mind it when I talk to you. I'm pretty sure you can hear me. You're probably listening for the hawks and the foxes. Although I haven't seen a fox here. I have seen its cuckoo though. What the heck was that sound? Probably just my crazy neighbors. I think it's raining too hard for me to be out here. I love it when wildlife comes out and sits almost right next to you. It comes up as close as you can. It's just something in that quiet moment sitting next to them where you just kind of have this peaceful communion with them. It's hard to explain.
It's a baby bunny.
If you're watching this, maybe you already know and understand what I'm talking about. But I've been trying to introduce my son into wildlife photography, and he does have my old Canon 50D, and I let him use my 18 to 200, but he gets frustrated because he doesn't have the reach, but he also doesn't have the strength enough to be able to handle a larger lens. But he does like to come out and help me find the wildlife, although most of the time he does wind up scaring it away. He had fun with these rabbits. Sometimes he would even commandeer my camera on me. He's like, "Mama, let me look through." And next thing I know, he's pushing buttons and doing everything that I would be doing, which is, it's fine. He's learning. He suggested, "Mama," one day he said, "I know how to people to watch your YouTube channel more." And I said, "What idea do you have?" "You need to make some how-to videos." I said, "How-to videos?" So there's already a ton of how-to videos out there on taking photos and stuff. This is just kind of my channel to, share adventures. But maybe I should think about doing a how-to get your children involved in wildlife photography, or just out in nature enjoying the wildlife with you. Anyways, here is a series of clips that we took together over the summer of the Cottontail rabbits. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks. Enjoy. Now I got 2 bunnies. one bunny come back. The other one's probably up on the lawn.